Ooh. Okay, we're in the garage now. Let's walk into the house. What? What is? That's our fireplace.
This will be the bedroom right here, though. See? Right here.
You're sleeping?
Here's where you walk in the door. This is the closet right here. All along here. This is the closet. This is the bedroom. This is the second bedroom. This is the window.
And from a carpenter's standpoint, could you point out anything for us, Mike?
Okay, well this is the second room. This will be the bathroom right here.
I know like that. And then
right here, this is the bathroom.
I'm gonna go in it too.
This big closet right here.
Mommy, you know what?
These are-
Mommy, you know what?
And what's going to be there?
This is master bedroom.
Uh-huh.
This will be your retreat area.
Whoop, went into a little sunshine over there.
This will be your
Closet.
closet.
Dad, let's not lose two boys.
Okay, be careful looking over the window. Don't go peeking too far. Yeah, okay, good. There's a golfer out there.
Patrick, what do you see? A gopher? Here is the view from our bedroom window. Tia! That's the... Here's our neighbors across the street. Wait a minute. Let's get the full scenario here. There's the street, our neighbors.
Stuff through the wall again.
And then there's our golf course. And there is supposed to be a walkway from our house over to the golf course.
Those are nails, yeah. Come on over this way,
But,
This will be a bedroom right here. The window. This will be a bedroom right here. Yeah.
Bye, Mommy. I'm going to school.
bye. Have a good day.
All right.
Whoop. This wall's still not done.
Daddy, look, I'm a carpenter. Here you go, Daddy. Hammer it.
Careful now, Patrick. That's far enough. You can throw it over the edge. Just throw it over there. Good.
He threw it downstairs.
Yep.
Yeah. And I was for this before, Daddy. I found these nails down there.
I'll leave the nails. The guys might pick up the nails.
Yeah, what do you want?
Yeah.
I'll pick it up. And our house is done. Hi, Mom. I'm just going to school. Whoop. What?
Hey, Patrick.
Yeah.
Sam.
Yep. Giddy up.
Okay, ready?
Giddy up.
Sam.
Giddy up.
Sam.
Sam, stop. All right. Let's just sit here. Okay.
Yep.